We're finding the town of our dreams to set root, to homeschool, and to homestead, and to be free and live and let live. So we're excited. What are we learning about this week?
Learning about planets
And zombies. A canopy is different things, but like, let's say for instance, you are sitting under the tree. So the tree is the canopy. Got it? So it's still a tree, but it's acting like a canopy. I can be a canopy. I will be a canopy for you. I'm gonna be your canopy. Looking through black bean with a sassafras. So there were parents that packed them up on a bus and sent them to their uncle's house. It's very much like Gravity Falls, right?
Yeah.
Wow! I'm so proud of you.
This thing looks like a butt.
It looks like a third. Oh,
A butt.
yes, it has a booty. Or is it a place?
And a body.
Look at this number. Look at these numbers. I love how you guys are building together. What are you guys building? Jack? Oh, that's cute.
Here, and here, this one. Good job. And this one. Over here.
Not good.
It's okay. Yes, it is. He does his best.
Okay, what's 10? I don't know.
You're really confident. Nutrients. And your roots are typically small. So they do not go deep in the soil. Here in the Amazon, you can grow on the forest floor. Courtesy of iLead. Okay, your own comics. This is step-by-step drawing book. Look at, and you can draw. Let's see. Step-by-step drawing book. And you can, it shows you how to do it, and you do it right here, and you can try all kinds of different shapes. Look at a hairy body, a long body, square body, long legs. It shows you how to do it. This is another make your own comic. This is so let me tell you, everybody's. Look at this. Look at this. Walking, skipping,
Falling, dancing, swimming, pooping.
My comic book. Create your own comic book. This has its own kit. It has its own box. A book with a hard book that you guys can never read. So, this is so amazing. So, hold on. So, look at this. Months in the Forest. Field Wilderness Adventure Handbook. And survival guide. And science journal. Science journal. Mind benders. And heart and mind.
How is that possible?
The rainforest. So,
I know what. It's really. No, I played a rainforest before.
so there was a rainforest, and there's two things that they discovered. Do you guys remember the two things they discovered? Ew! That is hilarious. Oh my god. That's good. At least you can do like homework.
Right?
Okay, great. Dress.
No. In there.
Sweetie later.
Get your hair, your face. No. On you understand? Match the little bug.
Oh my baby.
All by herself. I didn't tell her that. She continued all by herself. So
Maybe
I'm
she's
so
growing
proud.
up.
Yeah,
Becoming a
so
big
proud.
girl. Oh my. No, you're still a baby, right? Say, I can't do it. Oh. Why? You're still a baby.
I can do this.
Oh my baby. I'm growing up.
All this stuff to put away. And just says, "You're beautiful."
I think I know that song.
You're beautiful. I think I played it for you guys before. My love is brilliant. My love is pure.
In a crowded place, I don't know